How to draw a bull, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing our bull, we're going to begin by drawing two small curved lines, which will be the opening of where the horns come out. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome. I upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Next, we are going to draw a line that will connect from the left top point to the right. Next, right below what we just drew together, we're going to draw the outline of the nose. And if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video or rewind as you need to. Nicely done! Now on the top left and right hand corners of the nose, we're going to draw long lines that are going upwards. Now for the next step, we're going to want to connect the top piece all the way down to the bottom. So let's go ahead and start at the bottom points of those lines right above. Now do you remember those first lines that we drew? So coming out of those lines, we're going to go ahead and draw the horns of our bull. We'll want to make sure that each of the horns are very similar in size. Nicely done. Now let's make the exact same shape on the left hand side. Now below each horn and connected to the head, we're going to draw the ears of our bull. And let's go ahead and make the second ear on the left hand side. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. So far I'm really happy with how my bull is coming out. Now let's go right below the nose and we're going to draw the mouth. Now right above the mouth, in that blank space for the nose, we're going to go ahead and draw the nostrils by making two shapes that look similar to circles and filling them in completely black. Now attached to the top of the nose, we're going to draw two more lines that are going straight up, similar to those ones that we previously made. So from this point, we're going to want to add some detail to the inside of the face of our bull. So let's go ahead and draw the eyes, first by beginning by drawing two small curved lines. Now attached to those two curved lines, we're going to draw the outline of the eyes connected along with a circle on the inside that is filled in completely black for the pupil. So we're almost all done with today's drawing, but for the final step, we're just going to want to go all over our bowl and add in some small detail by using curved lines, as well as straight lines. So if you want to go ahead and match me, then that's okay, or you can get a little creative for this step. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw a Bowl. If you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. And if you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.